I was quite intrigued to see this research paper from Apple in the realm of artificial intelligence. This paper is titled as HUGS Human Gaussian Splats and seems quite interesting. The basic idea behind this paper is to create animated 3D human avatars based on a video. Now, we all know that there have been a lot of advances and promotions in neural rendering, and that has improved as the time is progressing through training and rendering times by orders of magnitude in a lot of products. Still, these models lack where we need to do more generalization to freely moving humans in the environment. So this is where this new research helps. This is called as I mentioned, human Gaussian splats that represents an animatable human together with the scene using 3D Gaussian splatting or 3DGS. Their method takes only a monocular video with a small number of frames, which is ranges from 50 to 100, and then it automatically learns to disentangle the static scene and a fully animatable human avatar within 30 minutes. What they are doing exactly is they are utilizing the SMPL body model to initialize the human Gaussians. To capture details that are not modeled by SMPL, for example clothing, hair, they have allowed the 3D Gaussian to deviate from the human body model. They are utilizing 3D Gaussians for animated human, which brings new challenges, including the artifacts created when articulating the Gaussians. That is why they have proposed to jointly optimize the linear blend scaling weights to coordinate the movement of individual Gaussian during animation. Their approach enables novel pose synthesis of human and novel view synthesis of both the humans and the scene. They achieve state-of-the-art rendering quality with a rendering speed of 60 fps while being 100 times faster to train our previous work. So I really find this new project fascinating. First, because they are solving a real problem, and secondly, it is from Apple. And I tried to search their GitHub repo, but it seems it is still not available because this was just released very recently, I think 3 weeks ago on 29th of November. So I'm still waiting its GitHub repo to be released. So as soon as it is released and I have something working, I will create another video to show you the demo of it. But meanwhile, I'll drop the link to this paper in video's description so that you can read further, and it's quite a good read, I would say. So I would hats off to all of these researchers, Mohammed Kakobas and Jan and their colleagues. They have really done a wonderful job. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts, let me know. Happy to discuss it. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.